Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I'm happy that you were able to join me today. I hope you're having a great day and that your week will be even better. I have for you today 3 whips. They are the Paris themed pattern by Dimensions. They are the Birds and Berries by Alicia. And they are the Wedding Sampler by J&P Coats. 2 of those I'm almost done with. 1 of them I still have a ways to go on. But I'm really getting excited that 2 of them are almost accomplished and I'll be able to get 2 new starts going. So the first one that I want to show you today is the one that I will be working on today, which is Sunday. And this is the Gold Collection Petites from Dimensions. And it's this one. It's coming along really, really good. And this is done on 18 count ivory Aida. So here it is. I have accomplished all of this. I have 1 more color to add, and then we will be working across and then down. And then I have to backstitch and it's complete. So I'm really, really happy with how this has turned out. And I can't wait to get it backstitched because that really brings it to life. So that's what I have done on that. So almost done. Hopefully in my next cross stitch video, Flosstube video, that it will be done. Because that's all I have is just the outer frame part of it. Okay, and then the next one that I have is the Bird and Berries, which is this. And I have completed this side, and I have done probably about there, and I'm working down. Now I think the color of this bird is amazing. It is very bright. So what I have done is I have half the bird, and I just decided to work on the yellow. So down here, this is the tail, and the yellow at the very bottom there, that is the tail feather, one of the tail feathers of the bird. But this color, these colors are amazing on here. I love this. And this is done on 14 count cream Aida. So once again, this part of the tail feather right here, that is the yellow right here. And it looks like it's angling, how it's because the bird is sitting sideways. You get a side view. So I'm really happy with this one as well. I've got a little ways to go yet on this one, but it won't be much longer. And the last one that I want to show is the J&P Coats, which is this one. I am very, very, very close to being done with this one. I have to add the name and the date. I have to, I'm about right here I've got to finish up that, continue the heart, make the pink up here, and then do the lines, and I'm done with it. And then I have to do the back stitching to make the quilt looking design on it. So I am pretty much done, and I will show you. This is where I'm at. I've done it all there. I have to put the name down below, finish the heart, the sky, put the green stripes around, and it's done. So those are the two that I think I will have done. Will be the wedding sampler and the dimensions, the Paris themed one. So anyway, that is my whips for this video. I did want to mention that I do have a haul coming up, and it will be a separate video. And a lot of the stuff that I bought, well, I didn't buy. I got them off of a website called Listia.com. And a lot of you might have heard about it, some of you might not. And I had never thought before, when I'm buying my kits or fabric or patterns or whatever, to check out Listia. I had never thought to do that. And one day I was on Listia, I was looking around, and I thought, you know, I'm going to put cross-stitch kits and see if anybody is getting rid of anything. And I had pages of cross-stitch kits on there. So if anybody would like for me to explain or tell and show about Listia.com, please let me know in the descriptions down below, and I will do a video on that site as well. It's very legitimate. I've gotten everything that I have ordered, and yeah, I just wanted to put it out there that there is maybe another way that you can get things. And Listia.com is only done on credit. No money exchanges hands whatsoever. And that's what I like about Listia. You can save some money with this. So anyway, let me know if you're interested in me doing a video on how that website works. And anyway, be looking for my haul video. And until next time, everybody have a great day.